Hello GEVS teachers, Mr. Pez here. I'm going to show you how to get onto Minecraft Education. Okay, so first thing you need to do is go to education.minecraft.net or type in Minecraft Education in Google and hit the link. Alright, so you're going to be taken to a page that looks like this and you're going to go to Get Started. So once you're in Get Started, it's going to ask you to download now. The nice thing about our Office 365 account is that we get Minecraft Education for free, so there should be no cost involved. If that's happening, don't pay for anything. Just go to download now and download onto your computer. Okay, once it's downloaded, it's going to install and it's going to load up. I'm just going to sign out of my account here and sign back in. Okay, now that you're signed in, here's what you can do. You can use this little clothes hanger to change the way your person looks. So I was using a mad scientist before because I thought it was kind of cool. Now let's find a cool one. Oh, I could be the king for the day. All right, so now I'm the king for the day and I'm going to go into play. So in play, you have a couple different options. You have view my worlds. You don't have any worlds yet because you just started. Just going to turn down the volume because that soothing music is too loud. And then you have create new, view library, import, and join world. We're going to go left to right. So view worlds, once you've created a few worlds, you'll have view worlds in there. So I've created a few so you can see them. And you can select those. View library is a really cool feature and I'm going to make another video on it later. But really quick, you have a whole bunch of pre-done lessons in here. They're done by subject and grade and they're fantastic. Then there's monthly build challenges. Those are sort of like things that come out, sort of like a STEM challenge, but in Minecraft. Then worlds and biomes. These are gigantic worlds. Maybe some are under sea, some are like lava and stuff. But here's something that's really important. If you're not familiar with computer gaming, it would be a good idea to go to how to play and go through this whole process and learn how to move and how to do stuff on Minecraft. Along with the lessons are educator resources. Again, I'm going to make another video about that. So we're going to hit back and we're going to go back to create a new world. So you can use a template or just create a new one. I'm just going to create a new one for now. And we're going to change a few settings in here. The first one is we're going to go default game mode. We're going to change that to creative. And the reason for this means that the students can't die their character can't die in it. We're going to make the difficulty peaceful, and then you have permission levels for students who join your world. So a visitor can't do anything with blocks, which if you're just trying to show them something, that's okay. But if you want them to build anything, it's going to be super boring. So it's probably the best idea to make them members, not operators. Operators would make them on your level, and you don't want to do that. So once you have your member permissions in there, what you're going to do is you're going to press host. And what this does is it creates a server that other people can join, but they need a code to join it. All right, now I'm in my world. I can look around. If I double tap space, I can fly. And if you do the how to play, you'll know how to do everything. But what you want to do is you want to press the escape button at the top left of your keyboard. Now that you've pressed escape, you are going to have a join code at the top. And this join code is what the students put in order to join your session. Now, sometimes there's some issues with hosting when you're on different networks. But in that case, what you can do is you can have them create their own world and then they can do the task on their own, screenshot it and send it to you. But it works best when you're hosting the lesson. So have them punch this into the join a team and then they'll be in your world. All right, just to show you what the world, the login process looks like for the students when they sign in. So I'm hosting a game in a test account on another screen, but I'm going to hit play and then I'm going to press join world and I need to get the code from my other account. So I'm just looking at it on my other screen and it looks like it says fish, rail, potion, and I always think these look like donuts, but they're actually cakes. And then I'm going to press confirm, And you can see it says My World hosted by Test5. That's the name of my test account. Your students will see your name and whatever you've named the world. So then you hit confirm, and it's just locating the server. Okay, and as you can see, I can look at my test account's avatar. My test account's avatar can look at me, and here we are. So that's how your students are going to sign in. You just need to share that code with them by pressing escape, and that's what it's going to look like for them. Okay, I hope that helped.